Now, let me give you a quick overview of how I've structured this course so you can get the most out of it. In the next section, you're going to learn about classes, which are the building blocks of object-oriented programming. I will explain what classes are, why we need them, and how we can create them. In this section, we'll talk about the first two principles of object-oriented programming, encapsulation and abstraction. These two principles are often misunderstood, so I'm going to make them super simple for you using a few metaphors and examples in code. So by the end of this section, you will have a great understanding of these principles. In the following section, we're going to apply these principles to the mortgage calculator project that we created in the first part of the series. I will show you how to take some poorly written code and refactor it into clean, maintainable, reusable, and object-oriented code. This is a critical skill that every Java developer must have, yet a lot of people out there, even those with years of experience, lack this skill. Next, we're going to talk about the other two principles of object-oriented programming, inheritance and polymorphism. And finally, we're going to talk about interfaces, the most powerful yet the least understood feature of object-oriented programming. In this section, you're going to learn about coupling or dependency between classes. We'll look at the problems with tightly coupled code, and then I will show you how to use interfaces to solve these problems. So the materials in the second part will give you a solid foundation on object-oriented programming concepts and techniques. And this will help you better understand the classes in Java Development Kit, as well as any other frameworks you might use in your applications. So let's jump in and get started.